Pearl Abrasive's 20-inch self-propelled gas-powered concrete saw is designed with a chassis made from one-piece box construction with 3/16-inch hot-rolled steel that will not flex during operation. This chassis is powder-coated to resist corrosion and peeling. This Pearl concrete saw has a heavy-duty blade shaft with two 1 3/16-inch self-aligning pillow block bearings. The cast aluminum blade guard mounts on either the left or right side, allowing the operator to make a cut within 2 inches of a wall or curb, regardless of the direction being cut. The Pearl concrete saw is equipped with a stainless steel water system, which supplies water to both sides of the blade. The special depth control assembly is engineered for a smooth and controlled initial insertion into the material being cut. It is engineered with a heavy-duty hydrostatic transmission with a variable speed drive, and also has durable non-slip rubber wheels with maintenance-free hubs and roller bearings. The Pearl 20-inch gas-powered concrete saw comes with a Honda engine. However, other engines, such as Kohler and Subaru, are available upon request. Look to Pearl for all your concrete cutting needs.